Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Power Pivots in Excel in a simple way. If you do work with large data or multiple tables or even dashboard, Power Pivots can make your work more easy. So first, what is Power Pivots? So Power Pivots is a feature in Excel that helps you work with large data. It also connects with multiple tables. It curates relationships. It builds calculations using the DAX, and then it creates powerful pivots, tables, and dashboard. So you can think of Power Pivot at the menu and then dashboard. So let's use this as an example. So I have a sample database here that I'm going to be showing you walking you through how to use Power Pivot. So you go to Insert, then you click on Power Pivot, then you just click on OK. So let's get the percentage of nationality. We click on this, then we're going to drag this to the value table, and then we're going to just right click it. So we have the total of the value table to be 500. We have American, Brazilian, Canadian, Chinese, German, and then Mexican, Nigerian, Spanish. So you just right click and then go to show values in the percentage of grant tables. So for Americans, we have 12%, and then these are the percentages of nationality. So you can do the same too for gender. So you can write this for gender, do the same thing. You right click here. We have 500 here. You right click in the middle. You go to show value as this. So for the gender, for female, we have 1.20%, and then for male, we have 48.8%. So I hope this helps. So if you want to learn more, please comment and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.